What is Polkadot? DOT? So before we get started, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribes to my channel. The Polkadot crypto project is a next-generation blockchain that attempts to promote a heterogeneous, multi-chain framework. It has garnered extreme attention from an entire community of investors, developers, and users, and is considered to be one of the most innovative projects in the cryptocurrency space. What is the Polkadot network in crypto? In simple terms, Polkadot DOT is a blockchain with a core network, the relay chain, where other blockchains connect and communicate with each other. By hosting blockchains, the relay chain also handles their security and transactions, allowing cross-chain interoperability, communication between different blockchains to function seamlessly. As a matter of fact, besides sending DOT tokens across blockchains, Polkadot also allows them to communicate and exchange actual data. Thus, interoperability is the big problem that Polkadot tries to resolve. Instead of separate entities that work independently, blockchains should become part of the same ecosystem, where information and money can be exchanged securely in a scalable way. While private blockchains have somewhat different technical protocols from public blockchains, Polkadot even resolves the communication between these two distinct types of networks. Polkadot's flexible and adaptive network architecture facilitates building new technology on top, enabling developers to take advantage of the scalability, interoperability, and security offered. Therefore, Polkadot's network also represents a significant breakthrough for developers and entrepreneurs who want to build a new blockchain from scratch. When trying to create a new blockchain, developers build a unique state machine and a consensus algorithm, which is not easy to implement and takes a lot of effort and time. Polkadot's fundamental architecture aims at resolving this as it eliminates the need to build blockchains from scratch. A blockchain built within Polkadot uses the substrate modular framework, which allows users to plug in the features they require, while also allowing them to change them as needed. Moreover, it allows developers to customize the chain architecture, select specific components that suit their requirements, and bridge blockchains with other networks, including Ethereum and Bitcoin. History of the Polkadot network. The network's name is already unique. A polka dot pattern on fabric consists of an array of large filled circles of the same size. The circles probably symbolize the different blockchains and the overall pattern, the Polkadot crypto world. The history of Polkadot is closely associated with Ethereum. Its founder is Dr. Gavin Wood, who was Chief Training Officer and core developer of Ethereum. He developed its smart contract programming language, Solidity. The lead developer left Ethereum in 2016 to build a more sharded blockchain, and in October of the same year, he published Polkadot's white paper. While still at Ethereum, Wood co-founded the F-Core blockchain technology company, which later turned into Parity Technologies. The company developed important blockchain infrastructure technology, such as the Substrate Development Framework and the Polkadot Network. In 2017, Wood also co-founded the WAB3 Foundation, a non-profit entity established to support the research and development of Polkadot and oversee its fundraising efforts. In July of the same year, the first adverse event occurred within the organization. A hacker exploited a vulnerability in Parity's multisig wallet code and stole 153K ETH, about 33 million USD at the time, from 3 different wallets. In October, the foundation hosted the initial coin offering and raised $145 million in just under 2 weeks, making it one of the largest ICOs up to that time. Only a few days after the token sale, though, Parity Technology experienced a new hack incident. The ICO smart contracts were hacked, and 66% of the funds raised $150 million were frozen. The event was irreversible and inevitably slowed down the project's early development. How does Polkadot work? As mentioned in the article, Polkadot provides a core network, the relay chain, and parallel blockchains called parachains. Let's take a closer look at the network's architecture, the system's technical components, and how they work in conjunction. The relay chains protocol determines the network's shared security, consensus, and cross-chain interoperability. It is the engine that keeps the whole infrastructure together, connecting other network participants and providing transaction finality. The relay chain was deliberately built to provide minimal functionality. For instance, smart contracts are not supported, and the chain's primary responsibility lies in the coordination of the system as a whole, including parachains. The term parachains is short for parallelized chains. They are sovereign blockchains with their tokens and governance and offer their specific use cases. However, parachains use and take advantage of the relay chain security and interoperability for the finality of transactions. The use of the relay chain allows parachain system to work seamlessly, while developers and users can focus on other specific goals like privacy or scalability and their particular applications. In essence, parachains get to enjoy one of the network's most significant benefits, using Polkadot's established security and fast and scalable transaction speeds. Parachains need to lease slots that are limited to 100 in Polkadot to participate in the network. Due to its limitation of space, parachain slot allocation may therefore, in the future, become somewhat competitive and challenging to obtain. There are 3 ways to gain a slot allocation. The parathreads have similar functions to parachains. However, they run on a pay-as-you-go model that allows them to work when needed and does not require being connected to the relay chain at all times. Parathreads participate temporarily without the need to lease a parachain slot. Parathreads will have a slower block time than parachains but have the same security level and interoperability feature. Also, depending on the relay chain slot availability and needs, any blockchain can switch between being a parachain or a parathread. Finally, bridges allow parachains and parathreads to communicate with external networks like Bitcoin and Ethereum, thereby further expanding the interoperability of the Polkadot blockchain. Bridges can, eventually, enable different tokens and coins to be swapped without a central exchange. What do you think of my video? Let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching my video.